gotten into birding this year, so I thought it'd be fun to make a sketchbook spread based on my local birds. This is a black phoebe. They're year-round in my area and Mexico as well. They're just the cutest. They are all black except for their white belly. They're a species of flycatchers and songbird. Their call is high-pitched and short. And I think their song sounds like "Pick Me." Listen. I think I made the bird look kind of spotted, but they have solid colors, my bad. Other than that, I'm pretty happy with the final result.